it's Justine. Hey guys, it's Justine. Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, probably by the title and the thumbnail, I got bangs. If you would like to see me cutting my own bangs with perhaps a couple of tips in the video, please keep on watching. So this was quite a spontaneous decision, something I may regret because it is summer and won't be able to put my hair up in a bun quite as easily and effectively as I have been, but YOLO. Nevertheless, I decided to cut my hair. I can still turn back now. I have not done it yet, but we're recording, and if you're watching this, I have done it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off, as you can see, with a middle part here. Oh, this, I have cut my bangs in the past. This is not my first rodeo. That being said, I'm not a professional in any way, shape, or form. Please do not use my word as professional advice. But what I'm going to be doing is making a little line in the center, and I'm going to be deciding where I want the bangs to start. So I think that I want them to start around here. So let's just go ahead and section off a piece. By the way, I am going to be going for kind of like baby bangs slash Betty bangs. I really love the pinup look, so that's what I'm going to try to achieve here. It has been a few years since I have had bangs. I used to have them in high school for a couple of years. I think the last time I had them consistently was then, around grade 11 or so, so I think it's been like 7 years. It's quite hard to see right now. So with Betty bangs, well, it really depends on what style of bangs you want, but Betty bangs kind of go across like this. A lot of other bangs have kind of trail off and blend with the rest of the hair, but I'm going to be going for a bit more of an upward shape. Also, I do not have hair cutting scissors here with me. They're at my parents' house. So let's see if I can make do with just a normal pair of scissors. I have sharpened them, so I think their efficacy should be decent. The thing I really love with bangs though is when the hair is tied up. I think it's so cute, it's so chic. So as I've been wearing my hair tied up more and more frequently these days, I think that it'll be a good look. So I am going to start off cutting it a bit longer than what I want, just so I can make sure that I'm liking it, and I can go shorter if need be. This is going to pose a bit of a problem because I want you guys to see. Can you see me? Yes, you can. Perhaps not the best, but I think you can. Okay, there's no turning back now. Okay, so my hair does want to kind of separate itself in the middle. Can't see shit. I'm gonna be going for a bit shorter bangs than I have had in the past. I'm just keep on cutting. I feel like hair cutting scissors really do make a difference here. As you can see, I'm trying to get the upward shape right now. Now, when wetting the bangs while cutting them, it is important to remember that wet hair will be longer. So if you don't want them to be too short, make sure you give a bit of give, because when the hair dries, it will become shorter. camera. I apologize if I am. I'm going to be doing vertical cuts to blend it out, make it a little bit less blunt. And I'll just keep on working until I'm satisfied. The thing is, I really like my eyebrows rather, so I think I'm just gonna keep going a bit shorter. I've never had them above eyebrow level before. I've always had long bangs. But there is a first for everything, ain't there? Annoying thing with bangs is maintenance, for sure. I'm gonna have to be trimming these babies quite often, especially because my hair grows very, very fast. I think this might be the first time I've cut my bangs without mommy's assistance. Some may think she would be proud of me for my independence, but I can imagine her scolding me and shaking her head already. Battery's gonna die in a few minutes. Oh, do you like the hair on my face? I feel like when you cut your own hair, it's kind of like having glitter on your body, in that you're gonna be finding tiny little remnants of hair for weeks to come. It's gonna be fun to clean. Okay, so the battery's about to die. I'm gonna shut it off, and I'm also crying a little bit because there are so many prickly little hairs in my eye. So as you can see, the battery died before I got to show you the finished result, but that is what I am here for right now. I'm gonna be doing a little gratuitous montage of showing off my bangs. Enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment box down below. I think I will be doing a couple of videos showing kind of how I style my bangs and perhaps a couple of different hairstyles that work really well with bangs. If you would like to see that, please give me a comment below, and feel free to let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos or what you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!